No.
What are you doing, Pizza Man?
I am doing something that no one else would do. I am using my force on you. Ha ha ha. I'll let you go down for once, but I won't stop trying to get you. I said I would let you go, but I didn't say I was Darth Vader, did I? Goodbye.
Ah! Please don't.
And I didn't say I didn't have a lightsaber.
I have an idea.
No, what are you doing?
Now I've got you.
No, what is this? What is this thing on my head? No, now what are you doing? What are you doing to the thing on my head? Why are you spinning it around? Yes, now I've got you where you want to. Now, where I want you. Now, how did you hit me over? At least I've got up now. Now I can get you where I want you.